Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk. Welcome to another live broadcast. And this video is entitled, if I can just get this up. It's entitled, How to Install a Septic Tank. And I've put in there in green, it's easier than you think. All right, so many people find that over time there's a time where they have to replace a septic tank, or maybe they're buying a new house, or maybe they bought a new plot of land and they have to install a new septic tank. So what does it cost and how easy is it to do? Well, this is why I've made this video, because I want to save you some money and show you just how easy installing your own septic tank is. So if I just go on to Google here, let me just do this. So let me show you, all right, why a lot of people are put off by installing their own septic tank. If you go on the internet and type in septic tank installation, there we go. And here you'll just find tons and tons of images, videos, people's opinions, different ways of installing septic tanks, different septic tanks, what you need to, the diggers you need to install the septic tanks, the different kind of backfill you need to install the septic tanks. It's a minefield. It's a real minefield out there. And that is why I've made this video, because I want to help you. So coming back to this then, all right, so look, I'm going to break it down and make it really easy. You've got three options if you want to replace or install your septic tank. So option number one, right? Let me just get to here. Option number one, right? If you want a firm to come in and replace your old septic tank and soakaway, it's going to cost you anywhere from £12,000 to £15,000. That's the going rate. If you want to get some firms in to give you some prices, I recommend getting 3 firms in and getting 3 quotes. But the point is, you'll find that the average quote will be anywhere from £12,000 to £15,000. That's the going rate. Okay, so option number 2. What if you want to install a new septic tank? I've put replace, oops, it's all going Pete Tong now. Hold on, let me just get back to here. Hold on, it's all going wrong. So here we go, here we go. If you want a firm to, there you go. How about that? There you go. All right. If you want a firm to install a new septic tank system, it's going to cost you about £12 to £15. £15? I wish it did cost £15. That threw me just having to do that then. But if you want to put a new septic tank and soakaway in, it's going to cost you about £12,000 to £15,000, right? That's option 2. Option 3, well, I'm going to show you how to save £12,000, because all that you need to buy is a septic tank and soakaway kit. All right, and not many people know about this particular option, because installation firms don't want you to know this, because obviously they make a living from installing septic tanks. But let me just show you a really simple and easy tip. All right, have a look at this. Where are we here? All right, so let's go back to here. You can actually get a septic tank and soakaway kit, and they've made it really easy now. You can base it on the number of bedrooms. So if you've got a 1 to 2 bedroom, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, or 7 to 8 bedroomed house, you can just buy a kit that comes complete that you can install yourself. So let's just give you an example here. Let's go on the 1 to 2 bedroom one, right? They're 1,499, so £12,000 cheaper than having to install a new soakaway. So what do you get? Well, you get the underground pipe work. So let me make that a bit bigger for you. All right, let me just make that bigger so you can see that. You get the underground pipe work. You get an inspection chamber. You get a low profile septic tank. They're a lot easier to install than the onion ones, and they don't need concreting. They'll save you about £1,000 because you don't have to, on top of the installation cost, because you don't have to use concrete. And you get the really popular septic tank and soakaway crates. So let me show you how easy it is to install your own septic tank and soakaway. So here we've got a typical lawn here, right? Typical lawn. So all that you need to do, right, is obviously run a pipe from your house to your septic tank. So the first thing you need to do is dig a trench. So let's show you this trench. Okay, so here's a trench here. So let me just move this along. All right, Dumpty Dumpty Dum. All right, so first thing you'd need to do is just dig a trench, and that trench would run to whatever building or property you've got there. So that could be a mobile home, could be your house, could be whatever. But the point is, you'd have a trench, and in that trench you'd run a pipe, which I'll show you in a minute. But the next thing you need to do at the end of the trench, obviously when you've worked out where you're going to put your septic tank, is to dig a hole for the septic tank. So the hole will take you about 40 minutes, 50 minutes to dig. It's just a pretty box standard hole. And as you can see, the trench goes into that hole. So in that trench, what you would do, you'd put a pipe from your house or whatever, coming down the trench into the hole here. Right, okay, that's pretty simple, okay, isn't it, so far? Right, next thing that you would need to do is to put the tank in the hole. So, okay, you've bought your septic tank kit, now you've got your tank and you've just put it in the hole and it just connects straight onto the outlet pipe there. Okay, let's see if we can show you that. There we go. So there you go, so the outlet pipe just literally slots into the inlet pipe, the pipe from the house slots into the inlet pipe of the septic tank. All right, so once you've done that, so let's zoom out a bit here, you then only need to dig 2 more holes, small holes, right? 1, 2, there you go. So that is basically it. So in an essence, you've got to dig a trench and you've got to dig 3 small holes. In the first hole, you put the septic tank in. In the second hole, right, you put an inspection chamber in. That goes in between the tank and the soakaway, which I'll show you in a minute. But again, just a standard 4-inch pipe from the outlet pipe of the septic tank into the inspection chamber. The inspection chamber basically is a rodding point. So if ever anyone puts any nappies or anything like that down there, you can just lift the lid and pull them out. Now, this is even easier. This hole here is for the septic tank soakaway crates. And with the crates, you get free membrane. Now, the membrane stops the soil getting into the crates and clogging them up. But anyway, on the bottom there, you put your membrane in, all right? And then you just lay on top of the membrane your septic tank soakaway crates, all right? Now, there's a lot of misinformation on the internet about soakaway crates. You cannot use rainwater soakaway crates or a rainwater soakaway for a septic tank soakaway. So when you see on the internet, oh, soakaway crates are illegal, blah, 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 what they mean is rainwater crates. You can't use them at all. So these are septic tank soakaway crates. So make sure if you're buying crates for your septic tank, you go for the septic tank soakaway crates, all right? So once you put them in, which takes about, I don't know, 10 minutes to put in, you then connect a pipe from the inspection chamber here to the crates. They literally just go straight into them like that, slot straight into them. So then once you've done that, you then just cover the crates over with membrane, like so. So there you go. So this will take you or your builder literally, man alive, 2 hours, 3 hours to do. And the point is, not only is it easy to install, right, and the building regs compliant, but you'll be able to save yourself 12,000 quid. So, and then when you've done that, right, you just cover the trench in with soil, you cover the tank over with soil, you cover the inspection chamber over with soil, and you cover the septic tank soakaway crates over with soil. That's it, job done. So look how neat that looks once it's finished. So you won't even know you put the tank into your garden there. So that's what I just wanted to show you. So let me just go back to here. So let me just show you once more. So if you just go onto Google and type in septic tank soakaway kits, you can find the septic tank soakaway kits there. Right, so let's come back onto here and take the extra image off there, if I can. All right, so there we go. So listen, I just wanted to share that tip with you. As I said, just in conclusion, you've got 3 options if you want to replace or install a new septic tank and soakaway, right? You can either get a firm in, you can get a firm in, and they will charge you, what did we say, 12 to 15,000 pounds to replace your old system. you can get a firm in to put a new system in for you, right? They will charge you 12 to 15,000 quid, or you can get yourself a septic tank and soakaway kit. Save yourself 12,000 quid, and then just get yourself a digger. Costs you about 250, 300 quid, and you or your builder will get it in literally within 2 or 3 hours. So there you go. That's my septic tank tip of the day. If you'd like more free tips, more free help and advice, then just go to septictank.co.uk. And you can see my website there. There'll be loads of videos on there like this one, but about different topics: septic tank problems, soakaway problems. I'll show you how to fix problems and save you lots of money. Or go on to Google and type in septic tank TV. My YouTube channel will then come up. If you subscribe to it, you'll be in with a chance to win a free septic tank and soakaway kit. So I hope that's helped. But listen, thank you very much for watching this video today. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help